Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Reels and selecting the green screen effect from Effects. This immediately places your chosen image behind you. Once done, pick the photo or clip you want as the background. This is why framing matters. The replacement will sit behind your subject. Make sure your subject is clearly separated from the background and that the image is high contrast. Low contrast makes edges bleed. Tap to preview and position the background so it matches perspective before you record. Next, you record with the effect active while paying attention to lighting and alignment. Brighter, even light on you prevents green screen artifacts and helps the app separate you from the background. Once you set exposure and angle, use a tripod or steady your phone to avoid jitter. Sudden moves break the composite. Make sure to adjust the effect's scale and position so the background aligns with your movements. If you need multiple shots, save presets or repeat the same framing to keep continuity. Finally, you trim and polish the clip in the Reels editor. Add sound, text, and basic color correction so the subject and background read as one scene. Once done, preview full screen to catch edge fringing or mismatched tones. If edges look rough, make one key fix right away. Improve lighting or swap to a higher contrast background, because the effect relies on clear separation. If artifacts persist, restart the effect and reselect the image. Small tweaks usually solve the problem quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.